Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Discover on this device. So now we can see that the Google Fits option is activated, and if you want to turn it off, we should just hold for a while our device home screen with a finger, slide to the right side, and if you want to turn off the Google Discover or Samsung Free, first you should click to the swatcher, tap to the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully turn it off. If you want to turn it on, once again tap here to this swatcher, and now it's worked successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.